Hi and welcome. My name is Donna Young, and I'm really fortunate to be here. David Northcott is a really powerful lawyer up here in Midland, Ontario, Canada, and he has graciously invited me to his office and to share some great information regards to health and wellness. And so thank you, David.
Yeah, thank you for coming today.
No, I'm greatly appreciate it. So I want to talk to you about issues that you've had in your health life, and that would be Crohn's and colitis.
Yeah.
So can you just tell people what that is and what that means to you?
Yeah, so I have an illness called colitis, and it started back when I finished law school, and it's a disease that affects your bowel, and effectively irritates your bowel, so it can cause severe bleeding, loose stool, cramping, those sort of ailments, and it can be extremely painful.
Wow.
So that sort of started to manifest itself shortly after I started working as a lawyer, and I'm told that stress can be a trigger to cause a flare-up. So I've been dealing with that, for a good 20 years now, I guess.
Wow.
So
what kind of treatment would you utilize for help?
Well, initially when I went to see the doctor and was diagnosed with it, there's still a lot of research being done on it. There's no cure for it. I'm lucky that mine is very localized, so it hasn't moved up my bowel. And people that have colitis, if it keeps moving up the colon or up your bowel, it can eventually lead to Crohn's, which is a much more serious condition. So I've been very fortunate over the years. Mine has remained very localized, but often doctors want to treat it with drugs, and the drugs that they give you are these big horse pills, and they're very hard on your stomach, and it's just sort of a temporary fix. So when you're in a flare-up mode, sometimes I find it's hard to come out of it, and you sort of peter along. You have good days, bad days, but a lot of times it's diet really that helps as well. So for me, I was trying to get away from the medications and whatnot, because I found they were very hard on my body and just very difficult. The pills they give you are these big horse pills that are hard to swallow and digest, so I wasn't really a fan of that, so I was looking for other alternatives.
Mm-hmm. So you were able to utilize a product called Triotine, and that provides the body with an immune booster, right? So it helps enhance glutathione within the cells. So how did that work for you?
Yeah, I was aware of this product thanks to you, and I certainly didn't doubt the benefits of it, but at the time we were talking about it, I was, to be honest with you, I was very skeptical that it would just clear up my colitis. I thought, sure, there's certainly health benefits to it, and I wasn't opposed to trying it, but I was very surprised at how quickly it cleared up my symptoms, and I've been free and clear.
And how quick was that?
Within 3 days.
That's fantastic, eh?
So,
wow.
So I think when I called you, I told you that I was, I was prepared to try the product.
I was actually in shock. I thought that was incredible.
I just didn't expect such quick benefits, and that it would work the way it did.
So let me ask you, so how do your parents feel about that?
Yeah, obviously they're concerned about their son, right? And they want to see me healthy, and over the years they've certainly seen me in some very, having some health issues with my colitis, where I've been in flare-up mode over, several months, and it's been very difficult for me, and I had a very, very restrictive diet, so I think they were quite relieved and happy to hear that things were under control, and that I found an excellent product that can help me manage my colitis and keep it in remission.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Great to hear.
Yeah, and thank you for offering to give me the product to try.
Oh, no problem. Well, that's what we're here for. We're here to help make differences in people's lives. So certainly, if you're looking for some more information on health and wellness, and Crohn's colitis, do visit our website, and that would be www.creationofwellness.com. Sorry about that. Okay, so thank you so much for inviting us into your home, and thank you, David, for graciously spending some time with me.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.